Welcome everyone, welcome to today's video. If you're new here, it's Bree here with Let's Talk Tech. This channel is all about equipping educators with the tools, tips, and tricks to create an engaging and interactive online learning environment. Today's topic will be on affordable resources that you can implement in your online learning environment. Let's go ahead and get into the first topic. The first affordable resource that you can implement in your online learning environment is ebooks. If you can find some inexpensive ebooks, you can download them and put them on your course site. If you work for a university or educational institution, you should have access to ebooks through your library that you can enter into your online learning environment. Now, there are rules around fair use and things like that, but if you get them from your educational institution, they should let you know what you can and can't use and put into your online learning environment. The second affordable resource that you can use is journals. You can get through your institution, but journals are a great way to use as an educational resource, something that is low cost but definitely brings high value. You can use journals for discussions or for assignments as maybe a peer review or a group project. Even if your students were to access journals, they would probably be cheaper than the standard textbooks, which can range anywhere from $50 to a couple of $100. The third affordable resource that you can implement in your online learning environment is recorded video. These videos can be YouTube videos, they can be other educators' videos, or you can record videos yourself. These could be videos where you're doing a talk over. You can use tools like Snagit to record 5-minute videos of maybe you showing them how to do something, or you can record a live video just like this as you're talking to the camera and you're actually giving your students a lecture, but it's not you necessarily there talking, but you still get that human connection and it shows your presence in the classroom as well. Definitely recommend trying to implement recorded lessons in your online learning environment. Once you record it once, it is something that you can reuse, so it definitely is a great investment of your time. You can use it for multiple class sessions in the future. Thanks for tuning in for today's video. This channel is all about equipping educators with the tips, tools, and tricks to create engaging and interactive online learning environments. So if this is something that you are needing assistance with or interested in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And as always, be blessed, and I will see you in our next video.